Welcome, Agile friend. My name is Sumaya, and I am hosting this session with my co-host Alina. Hey, Alina.
Hey everyone!
Our speaker today is the amazing Samantha Sieverling. In this session, we'll learn about user-centric mastery, elevating your connection using empathy and product discovery. Welcome, Samantha.
Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you for having me. I am Samantha Sieverling. I am a longtime Agilist and team coach. I've had the opportunity to work at some really amazing companies and coach some really awesome teams. I live in Seattle with my two fat cats and my husband. I enjoy reading roughly 80 books a year, playing board games, and creating art in my spare time. And I just wanted to add that I've been working in the software industry for about 30 years now.
Thank you, Samantha. For our audience, there are also other sessions in the Product Owner Summit 2024 that touch on this topic. Don't miss those. For example, Pietro Maffi will have a session on the Agile Empathy, mastering user-centric products with Unfix. You can check out other sessions at productownersummit.org. But now it is time to focus on our guest speaker, Samantha, and our topic for this session.
Thank you, Alina. Samantha, you pinpoint for the interview title Empathy and Product Discovery as essential tools for mastering a user-centric approach. This choice of words piqued our curiosity. Could you share how the concept of user-centric mastery stuck a chord with you? Why did empathy emerge as a standout component in this strategy?
Thank you. I was talking with a friend of mine, Josh Fryer, about my top Clifton strengths and basically how they have blended together to help me be successful. And one of the things we talked about was how I might use my strengths to help other people. And Josh and I worked together for 18 months, so he's quite knowledgeable about me. And I talked about input as my first strength, intellect as my second strength, but really my third strength was the one that I focused on, and that is empathy. And it is very important to me. It is very close to my heart. And I think right now the world really needs a lot of empathy. So we talked about how I'm also passionate about coaching product owners. And that's really what I did for the last 18 months at my job, was coaching product owners. And I had kind of this light bulb moment when I was talking with Josh and how excited I got. And I was so excited during my talk with Josh that he's like, Samantha, you cannot ignore this. You need to go do something about it. So when I saw this topic of user-centric mastery, empathy, of course, came directly to my mind just immediately.
Yeah.
And one thing that I've noticed, and one of the things I've noticed over the years is that product discovery is often lost in teams. It's hard to take the time to do that. And as a result, our teams stop connecting with their customers enough to understand their pain, which often means we're not building our products for customers anymore. We're building what we think they need rather than what they actually need or want. And by using empathy and product discovery together, we have this opportunity to really connect and feel their pain and their problems and provide the things that they really need.
Indeed, employing empathy is quite a powerful tool for the product owner to help build these better products where you can put yourself into customers' shoes and see and use the product through their perspective.
Yes.
Before we move forward, maybe we can try to define what exactly empathy is for our audience, because I have seen this term, it was many times misused.
Yeah. So I guess I'll share my belief about what empathy means. Other people may have other things, and those are also probably true. But empathy to me is the capacity to understand and feel the emotions of others. And I think it plays a really crucial role in every aspect of our lives across the board and how we see the world. Empathy can be intuitive, it can be practice, but it's something that we need to build in ourselves over time.
Absolutely.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Samantha, for this introduction. Now, let's delve deeper into understanding these concepts. Reflecting on my observation and experience, it appears we sometimes miss the chance to truly engage with the customers and understand their needs and challenges. For your perspective, Samantha, why is empathy a game changer in enhancing our connection with